Normally, I am a thicker bang girl, but these bangs is perfect. Like, this wig is perfect. Yes, this is definitely a go-to wig, girl. I'm loving it. I didn't really even have to trim off that much on the bangs. Girl, nice and full. Like, some people like their bangs really, really full. I'm one of those who like the bangs like really, really full, but I really do like these bangs. Like, you know, you gotta try something different out all the time. And this really goes, like, even though it's not as thick, these are some really nice bangs.